Good morning, students. Yesterday, I have told you about women writers of India. Now, today, I am going to tell you about all-time hit celebrities. So, some celebrities has been given here, and we relate to them. Write the correct letter in the box and to match the celebrities name with their pictures. यहाँ पर celebrities के name उनकी picture से match करना है. So number 1 is tragedy king of Hindi movies. It is Dilip Kumar. Okay. So you put B in the box. Okay. Dilip Kumar is the tragedy king of Hindi movies. All of you clear? Second is best selling female music artist. Who is the best selling female music artist is the Madonna. Madonna is the best selling female music artist. Okay. Third one is star of the millennium. It is very familiar all of us. So it is Amitabh Bachchan. You fill G. Amitabh Bachchan. In second, you fill H. Okay. In second, you fill H. And in third, the star of the millennium is Amitabh Bachchan. All of us very familiar to Amitabh Bachchan. So in third, you fill G. In the G, Amitabh Bachchan. Clear? Next is her highest paid actor. Highest paid actor is Robert Downey. Okay. Robert Downey is the highest paid actor. Next one is highest earning talk show host. Highest earning talk show host. ये हैं ये देखिए ये हैं Oprah Winfrey. Fifth is Oprah Winfrey is the highest earning talk show host. It host shows. She is the highest earning talk show host. The name of the show host is Oprah Winfrey. Clear? Next is sixth one is female with most Grammy nominations. Female with most Grammy nomination is this is the Alison Krauss. Alison Krauss. Alison Krauss is the female with most Grammy nominations. Okay. Next one is the highest paid actress. Highest paid actress. इससे पहले हमने फोर्थ नंबर पे हाईएस्ट पेड एक्टर पढ़ा एक्सप्लेन किया था. सो नाउ हाईएस्ट पेड एक्ट्रेस. You know, actor, male actor, and actress is female. So she is the Jennifer Lawrence. Jennifer Lawrence is the highest paid actress. Highest paid actress means Jennifer Lawrence. Jennifer Lawrence is highest paid actress. Next one is the oldest actress to receive the Academy Award for Best Actress. Oldest actress to receive the Academy Award for Best Actress is the Jessica Tandy. Jessica Tandy is the oldest actress to receive the Academy Award for Best Actress. इसने सबसे अच्छी एक्ट्रेस का अवार्ड, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस का अवार्ड जीता था, एकेडमी अवार्ड जीता था. ओके. नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग अगेन. ट्रेजेडी किंग ऑफ हिंदी मूवीज. हिंदी मूवीज का ट्रेजेडी किंग दिलीप कुमार. दिलीप कुमार हिंदी फिल्मों का सबसे बड़ा ट्रेजेडी किंग हुआ करता था. ओके. सेकंड इज द बेस्ट सेलिंग फीमेल म्यूजिक आर्टिस्ट. सब फीमेल म्यूजिक आर्टिस्ट है ये हैं मैडोना. मैडोना इज द बेस्ट सेलिंग फीमेल म्यूजिक आर्टिस्ट. And Star of Millennium, Star of Millennium, it is very popular, all of us, between us, among us. Okay, he is the Amitabh Bachchan. All of you know Amitabh Bachchan. Next is the highest paid actor. Highest paid actor is Robert Downey. Okay. Next is the highest earning talk show host is Orphan Winfrey. Okay. And female with most Grammy nomination is Alison Krauss. Next is the highest paid actress. He is the highest paid actor and she is the highest paid actress. She is the Jennifer Lawrence. Jennifer Lawrence is the highest paid actress. So you fill C in the box. And last one is oldest actress to receive the Academy Award for Best Actress is Jessica Tandy. Okay, all of you clear this? Now come to Froggy Speaks. The world's best-selling recording group was the Beatles. Since their first official recording session in 1962, the Beatles have sold more than 163 million copies of their music. In fact, when Beatlemania hit the USA in 1964, the album Meet the Beatles sold more than 1 million copies in just 2 weeks. Okay, I'm explaining again. The world's best selling recording group was the Beatles. ये best selling recording group Beatles था. Since their first official recording session in 1962 में इनकी सबसे पहली ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्डिंग हुई थी. द बीटल्स हैव सोल्ड मोर देन 163 मिलियन कॉपीज ऑफ दियर म्यूजिक. इनके म्यूजिक की 163 मिलियन कॉपीज सोल्ड आउट हो चुकी थी. इन फैक्ट व्हेन बीटलमेनिया हिट, जब बीटलमेनिया हिट हुआ यूएसए में 1964 में बीटलमेनिया हिट हुआ, द एल्बम मीट द बीटल्स, ये एल्बम बनी मीट द बीटल्स, सोल्ड मोर देन 1 मिलियन कॉपीज इन जस्ट 2 वीक्स. तो वो 2 वीक में उनकी 1 मिलियन कॉपीज तुरंत सोल्ड हो गई, बिक गई थी. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर दिस? नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट. Okay, your chapter is completed. Thank you, students.